The outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza has launched a scathing attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa, declaring publicly that Mnangagwa is going soon. During a fiery address on Sunday, sanapita mashoko kuda panguva ino Geza panguva ino anouya achitaura aiwa akagwinya akasimba asingavhunduki kana kutya, achitaura mashoko nemautterances ekuti Mnangagwa going soon. Sanapita mashoko kuda nyoko panguva ino don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team them no more complaints. Geza, who is in recent months emerged as a vocal critic of the president and his close allies, did not hold back as he took aim at Rigananda within ZANU-PF. In quotes, "You are aware of what is happening in ZANU-PF," said Geza. Tagure was blocked from joining the Central Committee. He thought he could use money to buy his way to the top, but we thank General Nkosazana for showing us the way. Geza's comments appear to confirm growing tensions within the ruling party, particularly between the Mnangagwa loyalists and those aligned with Vice President Nkosazana. The businessman Kudakoshi Tagure, widely seen as a Mnangagwa ally, was recently sidelined from the Central Committee of the ruling ZANU-PF party, an event Geza interpreted as a sign of shifting internal dynamics. In quotes, Tagure wanted to use the money you stole from the people to buy loyalty, Geza said, but Zimbabwe is not for sale. He went further to condemn the continued influence of what he calls Rigananda, a term he uses to describe corrupt and power-hungry elements around the president. Riganandas are still roaming free, Geza warned, but the chickens are coming home to roost. Be warned, Rigananda. Geza accused Mnangagwa of feigning ignorance and denouncing corruption publicly while enabling it behind the scenes. Emmerson Mnangagwa is the godfather of Rigananda, he charged. His sloganeering denouncing Rigananda is patriotic. Passing Rigananda will fall. Mnangagwa, your grandstanding will never fool us. You are going very soon, he thundered. Geza ended his address with a rallying cry to what he termed progressive forces within the liberation movements and civil society. The progressive forces are alert. There is no turning back. While ZANU-PF has not issued a formal response to Geza's comments, insiders say his remarks reflect deeper rifts within the party ahead of the potential succession showdown. For now, Geza remains defiant and undeterred, determined to continue speaking out against what he calls the rot at the heart of the system. Doma shukaripo panguva ine mchona bombsho Geza ariya panguva ine achiti aiwa yes takanzwa mutungamiri wenyika achiti pasine Rigananda but anoti aiwa this is slogan yavari kuita aiwa panguva ino is powerful just because behind the scenes there are some people who are still committing corruption under the name yemutungamiri wenyika vachishandisa star yemutungamiri wenyika. Pinda comment section medu mudzi mafunguro eni moti kudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu musava subscribe or like, and hit on the bell icon.